Top stitching is a decorative stitch, can be used on various forms of garments and fabrics. Prepare your seam as a closed seam, including overlocking the raw edges. Turn the fabric to the right side and decide on the width of your top stitch. The width is decided from the seam that you've already made. Backstitch to secure the top of your seam and stitch a straight line measured against your seam. Backstitch at the end. Finish your seam by top pressing. You will have two visible seams on the wrong side of the garment, one visible top stitch on the right side of the garment.